Hello ABR Market Watch audience, welcome back to another day of market insights. Today's narrative is a tale of two contrasting movements in the Indian markets. While shares of Fredun Pharmaceuticals bucked the trend, surging nearly 3% to reach 832 rupees, the broader Nifty 50 and Sensex took a breather, dipping slightly due to profit-taking in financials. But fear not, this momentary pause didn't dim the shine on Fredun, as it continues to outperform with an impressive 13% growth year-to-date. The company's strategic move into the pet care market, through the acquisition of One Pet Stop, is certainly paying off. On a cautionary note, the Indian rupee weakened against the US dollar by 0.33%, with demand from foreign banks and state-run institutions tipping the balance in favor of the greenback. This trend was reflected across most Asian currencies today. In the bond market, the benchmark 10-year bond yield rose slightly, while overnight index swaps saw minimal change. India's overnight call money rate stood firm at 5%, and the overnight TREPS rate hovered around 5.24%. As we delve into individual stock news, Sigachi Industries plummeted following an explosion at its Hyderabad unit, while Torrent Pharma rose after announcing a strategic acquisition deal. Alembic Pharma gained ground with the US drug regulator's nod for one of its cancer treatments, and RBL Bank saw a boost following positive earnings expectations from Citi. The financial sector, which hit a record high on Friday, dipped slightly today, but small and mid-cap indexes managed to outperform. And while the dollar softened due to weaker US jobs data, key Indian equity indexes ended the month of June with a growth of 3.1% and 2.7% respectively. As we look ahead, it's clear that this market environment remains cautious amidst ongoing geopolitical developments and domestic economic factors. But remember, every dip is an opportunity for the savvy investor. So stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for daily insights and actionable tips on navigating these markets. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis that helps you make informed investment decisions. That's all for today, folks. Until tomorrow.